Hi guys, hi everyone to Sunshine London. Today's very special day. Today I decide to put my little baby girl stuff in the wardrobe. I bought new wardrobe. I'm very excited to place her stuff inside, and I will show you what I bought for her. And now I'm in week 31. I'm going to 32. Actually, today I'm 32. So, yeah, I thought I have to prepare myself and just enjoy the moment. So, let's get started.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
This is the new wardrobe. It's very big and very high quality and very nice. I will tell you from where I got it. So here the space. I will put her clothes, my husband clothes. So I have a lot of work to do today. So let's get started. Thing I will show you today is the complete feeding set. This feeding set had everything as the bottle, sterilizing things, everything you need for baby feeding. You have it in this box. I got it from the Amazon, and it's very nice, and the price is like, it's not very expensive. Also, I got this one here. It's the health care kit. It has everything for the baby, actually, a complete care. You have the comb, you have the everything you need, even the temperature thermometer, everything. Also, I got these separate bottles because when I was in week 11, my first ultrasound, they told me it's a boy, and then I bought this. I like this color, the blue color and purple, this color, a boy's color, so I bought it. Then in week 28, I knew she's a girl, baby girl. So it doesn't matter, actually, it's a boy or girl. The important thing that they are healthy, and yeah. Also, I bought this one here. Here it's the bags, first bag, disposal one. It's very important. And also here it's like little cute things, nappy, small one, just one package, small one, and wipes. And here this one is 0 to 6 months. Yeah, 0 to 6 months. Yeah. Also, let me show you here. Here the baby clothes, the towels, the clothes. I will show you everything. I got it from Asda. Also here I bought for myself two comfy dress. Dress. So it's very comfy, and I will put it in my hospital bag later on when I will prepare it. And yeah, look at that small little pink dress, very adorable. And yeah, I will show you how I will put it in the new place, her new place. Here I will show you the towel. This towel is a hoodie towel, and I bought it from Asda. It's a Georgie baby brand. Okay, I found it very cheap. It was like £2-3. All of these. This one, the black and white. all together here. Also I bought this pink. It was maybe £6 or £4. It's very big and warm. I bought white one as well. Also I bought this too. This too is very comfy and, you know, very nice. It feels very nice and so cute. So now let's go to the clothes. Here, look at these little socks. All of these I bought it from Asda. This one is like £4 and it's very nice and cute. This one size, it's £1. It's just £1. And this one here, it's £3. It's like warm and heavy. Also this one here, it was very cheap. I bought this nursing pillow as well. This is very important. I think it will be very helpful in the hospital. I will take it with me in the hospital bag. Also, I bought this one for me. Yeah, to help me. It's like a silicone breast pump. It's very, my sister used it. It's very easy to get the milk out and it's very nice. So I bought it to try and yeah, let's see. Yeah, the brand is Tommy as well and I bought it from Asda. So here I have all are from Georgie Baby brand. I got it all from Asda. So yeah, here they have online as well website, Georgie Baby, and they have everything there as well. So yeah, if you don't have Asda in your country or you are very far, so you can order online because it's very cheap and nice quality as well. So yeah, here we have the sleep suits. So 3 together is £7.50. Here it's 0 to 3 month here as well, but this one is body suits. It's £8, but it got like 7. Yeah. Here's the Michelin. This one is the Michelin is like £6.50. Also here the body suits, another one, and here as well. And here is the sleep suit, 3 for £7.50. But it's 100% cotton and it's very comfy, and you know the quality is very high quality. Really like it. How adorable is this? So this one of the outfits. This is second one. Let me show you. So here I will show you the outfits. This number 1. Look how cute it is. This one. This one. This one. Look at this. Look at this. This jacket. And this jeans is just £5. And this jacket is adorable. It's like £6. No, £9 from Georgie Baby as well. I got 3 to 6 months here. It's better. And like, yeah, most of the outfits I bought 6 to 3 months because you know babies grow up fast. Here as well, this is so cute. This is £11, and this one is 3 back. Like it has 3 long sleeves, and that one is £6 and the other one is 3 trousers. Or what? Yeah, this one as well is 3 to 6 months and it's £6. It's together. Yeah. This one is a nice thing as well and it's very cheap. It's £10. You got 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 of these. It's £10 as well. So 5 and 5. It's very comfy for your baby. And it's very, very, very worth it, believe me. So here I put the outfits, and here I put this cute hat. It's for my mother. It's a gift. I put it here. You know, just small things because you'll grow up fast. Also, here I put all the towels and muslin is here. Here finally I put the sleep suits and the body suits as well, because I think in the first month she will wear just these clothes. Yeah. I didn't show you this, guys. This one is £15 and it's from Asda as well. You know, this like it's the whole jacket, so they can wear it because now they are little, so it's very hard for them to wear small jackets and this. So this is the whole thing. Is very helpful and good to put them inside. That's it. So for now I think this stuff are enough for her. So let's see what will happen next. Thank you everyone for watching me. See you soon. Bye.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.